1970. Probably started construction in late 1970. Sammakkolammentie 1 is the case, only a quick ride. Built in 1971, turning 50 years old this year in 2021, but it will be inspected again. Modernized in 2009. And the serial number is H25775. The capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. Of course, this is not so good, but it was impossible to get in it. And we did get into one of the building 3 or so.
Yeah.
Even though this is KSS, but it's one of the taller ones.
Yeah.
Also with 11 floors. We should go to the 1974 at least.
Yeah.
Like to the ground floor. And also the same thing here. P then K for some reason.
Yeah.
Normally it is the other way around.
Yeah.
I hope nobody is coming.
Yeah. Tippaa kiva, jos pitää eteenpäin kauan.
It seems to be a very busy residential building, but it's not always. Sometimes it's impossible.
Yeah.
Like, you have to get into it. But we still did it. But it was not so important. But
Yeah.
there was the bunker, and that's why it was maybe a little bit important.
Yeah.
But because we see now it was late 1970 they started constructing.
Yeah.
And it was finished in the early 1970 too. And that's it.
That's